Since 1989, Ohio home and business owners have trusted Bayside Comfort Incorporated to help with their heating and cooling systems. Our team of skilled installers and service personnel take the time to listen and help you. Depend on us to get the job done right, guaranteed. With 30 years of serving the needs of Ottawa, Erie, Huron, and Sandusky counties, we know how to work with you for any project. We even offer free estimates, maintenance agreements, financing options, and 24/7 emergency service. We also offer specials, so just ask. As your local home comfort experts, our goal is to keep your family comfortable year-round and your equipment functioning efficiently. So if you need services for HVAC, indoor air quality, geothermal systems, and water heaters, we are here for you. Bayside Comfort Incorporated. Same great rate. It's never too late.